of the brain. Brain lies well protected inside the hard bony skull. There is some space between the brain and the skull, and it's filled with cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid acts as a cushion for the delicate brain. The brain is a wrinkled structure that resembles a walnut. Now let's learn the main parts of our brain. The brain mainly consists of 3 parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla or brainstem. Cerebrum. This part of the brain is called cerebrum. It's the largest part of the brain you can see. This part is responsible for learning, memory, thinking, reasoning, and consciousness. All the actions that we take knowingly or with our full consciousness are known as voluntary actions, and all these voluntary actions are controlled by our cerebrum. Next is the cerebellum. This part of the brain situated below the cerebrum, and it's called cerebellum. It is also known as the smaller brain, and its main function is to make sure that the balance of our body is maintained. That is, it keeps us in balance while we are walking, we are sitting, we are dancing, or while we are exercising. That is, it ensures smoothness in our movements. Medulla, or the brainstem. This part of the brain connects the brain to the spinal cord. Medulla is responsible for the involuntary actions of our body. That is, actions that we do not take knowingly, like sneezing, our heartbeat, our breathing, movement in the stomach, and many other functions that happen in our body. And we do not take these actions knowing they are just happening on their own. These functions are controlled by medulla of the brain. Our brain is divided into 2 hemispheres, left and right. The left hemisphere and the right hemisphere does a different job. It is responsible for analytical activities. It analyzes the information which is collected by the right brain, and the right brain is more responsible for visual activities. That is, it collects the visual information. If someone gets a stroke in the left hemisphere of his brain, the right side of his body stops working. And if there is an injury to the right hemisphere, the left side of the body stops working. This is why one half of the face may droop when a person has had a stroke. In the general population, 95% of people are right-handed, which means that the left hemisphere is more dominant. In case of left-handers, the right hemisphere is more dominant.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!